Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to prepare your camera to sell, how to factory reset camera, and how to unbind camera from DJI account. In front of me, as you can see, DJI Osmo Nano. So guys, step number one is of course enable camera, and then open settings in camera. To do that, open control panel, open settings, scroll down, find here factory reset, click on it, click confirm and OK. And then afterwards we should remove our device from DJI account. But unfortunately it's not possible to do in normal way. We should write to support to unbind our device from account. So wait a while. Okay, we should open web browser, then open DJI website, DJI.com, just official website. Then click on DJI account. Here, click sign in. Sign in with your account. Enter your login password, click login. Okay, we are here. So the most important thing, if you bought the camera through the official DJI website, then everything is maybe more simple for you if you wanna return the camera. Because if you wanna sell camera, so it's a bit more difficult. So if you wanna return the camera and you bought it from official website, so just log in, click in account, my account. Here you'll find my orders, and I have no orders here, as you can see, but here you have instruction what you can do. It's right here, order information, return policy, and here you have to log in into the DJI account, go to my orders, find the order you would like to return, and click apply for after sales. If you bought the camera from official website and you not eligible for return and you wanna just prepare it for after sales, so you can click this button too, okay? So it's a bit simpler for you. But if you bought it on a reseller, on I don't know, on Amazon or somewhere else, you unfortunately you will not have this button here. And as you can see, I have the camera. It's bind to this account, but unfortunately it's not visible here. It's visible only in DJI MIMO app. So unfortunately it works like okay, it works back. So what we can do if we wanna sell it, we are not. So what can we do if we eligible to return, but we bought it on a reseller store? So we just can return it, and that's it. And they will ask DJI to unlock, to remove or to refurbish camera. But if you are not eligible to return, it's more than 14 days after activation. So you can do only one thing. Only one thing you can do is to open DJI Store Help Center. DJI Support. So just open DJI.com Support. Yeah, right here. Then scroll down, find here DJI handheld, find Osmo Nano series, Osmo Nano. Scroll down, and here we have online customer services. You can click on it, or you have online repair request. So I suggest you to write simultaneously in two ways, right? So maybe the fastest way is just to write in the online support, but you need to send them your receipt, your serial numbers, and just ask for unlock the camera. Okay, and this is only one way to remove your account from the camera if you're not eligible to return your device. So that's it, guys. Hope this video helped. I don't know why DJI do like this, but unfortunately, if you want to unbind a device from an account, this is the only one way to do that. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helped. Please leave me a like and a comment below. See ya.